Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Syairah binti Mama Yusri, number matric 16 DKA 23F1043. So today I am with my group member with presentation to you about our case study in Kim Ki River at Johor. So for the introduction of Kim Ki River is we have selected Sungai Kim Ki located in Pasir Gudang, Johor, as the river that has been significantly affected by pollution. This river became widely known after a serious pollution incident in March 2019, where toxic chemical waste was illegally dumped into the river. The Kim Ki River is a 23-kilometer long river that flows through the Pasir Gudang industrial town in Johor, Malaysia. The river is a vital resource for the local community, providing water for domestic, agriculture, and industrial use. The river is also home to a biodiversity of aquatic life like fish, crab, and prawns. Illegal chemical waste dumping along the Kim Ki River in Pasir Gudang, Johor, Malaysia on March 7, 2019 resulted in the 2019 Kim Ki River hazardous pollution. Many people were hospitalized and were impacted by the innocuous vapor emitted by the illegal dumping.
Hi, my name is Fatin Shafika binti Muhammad Shafarin and I'm from DKA4B. And right now, I will talk about the causes of pollution, specifically in rivers. There are three main causes. Firstly, weak law enforcement. Environmental authorities often fail to conduct regular inspections of industrial waste disposal practice. The lack of strict monitoring makes it easy for industries to illegally dispose of waste without fear of being caught. Secondly, illegal dumping of chemical waste. For example, in the case of Sungai Kim Kim at Johor, a used tire recycling factory dumped toxic chemicals like benzene, toluene, xylene, and acrolein into the river. These chemicals are highly dangerous to human health. Finally, negligence by industry operators. Some factory owners chose to ignore environmental laws in order to maximize profits. Although safe waste disposal methods are available, they are more expensive. Therefore, some factories chose illegal dumping as a cheaper shortcut. Next, I will explain the solutions to address river pollution. The solutions are divided into two aspects, which is socio-economic factors and environmental sustainability. Under socio-economic factors, firstly, we must strengthen environmental law enforcement. This includes increasing inspection around rivers, imposing heavy penalties for illegal dumping, and ensuring that pollution data is accessible to the public. Industries must also be held strictly accountable. Secondly, we should implement real-time water quality monitoring systems. Smart sensors can be installed along the river to detect pollution early. These sensors can be linked to automated alert system, enabling fast action to prevent small leaks from becoming major disasters. Moving on to environmental sustainability, first, it is crucial to enforce strict regulations on industrial waste disposal. Stronger legal frameworks with serious penalties can help protect rivers from future contamination. Consistent enforcement is key to preserving the river's ecological health. Lastly, we must work to restore natural river ecosystems. This can be done by reintroducing native plants along the riverbanks, which act as natural filters to absorb pollutants. Additionally, wetland construction and riverbank stabilization techniques can naturally improve water quality over time. That's all from me. For the next explanation, I will pass it to my friend. Thank you.
Then is potential challenge to implementing this solution. First is industrial unrest. Many industries put profit above environmental concern. When harsher rules or waste disposal requirements are implemented, industry may fight compliance due to increased operational expenses, for example, constructing suitable waste treatment systems. Some industries may even threaten to shift their operation to nations with less stringent environmental rules, hurting local employment rates. And the second one is limited technical capability. Environmental agencies frequently lack sophisticated equipment such as a real-time water quality sensor, drone surveillance, and satellite monitoring. Without modern equipment, it is difficult to detect wildlife food dumping action instantly. Third is corruption. Bribery among law enforcement agents has the potential to impair inspection and prosecution operations. Some business owners may utilize political influence to evade sanction or cancel unlawful acts. The public and higher authorities struggle to detect and respond to corrupt practice due to a lack of transparent auditing procedure. And the last one is community apathy. Local community may fail to report suspicious activity because they are uninformed of their right or fear punishment from big industry players.
My name is Nur Animento Obaka, 16 DKA 23F1044. So, this is a strategy suggestion to overcome the problem. First, we have 4 suggestions. First, we have offer incentive and facilitate transition to green practice, which is government and environmental agency should create incentive schemes such as tax break, low interest green loans, or subsidies for industry to upgrade to environmental friendly technologies. And then educational workshop and consultations also can help industry realize the long-term cost-saving benefit of suitable operation, thus reducing resistance towards stricter regulations. Next, invest in advanced technology and capacity building. This is allocate budget to purchase modern equipment such as a real-time water quality monitoring system, satellite imaging, and drones for surveillance. And it's also conduct continuous technical training program for environmental officers to ensure they are proficient in using advanced tools for enforcement activities. And then third is strengthen governance and enhance transparency mechanism. This is introduce strict auditing procedure with third party oversight to monitor law enforcement and industry compliance. And it's also create whistleblower protection program to encourage the reporting of bribery and corrupt practice without fear of retaliation. And lastly is empower communities through education and incentive program. It's launch public awareness campaigns that educate residents about their environmental rights and responsibilities using a local media, school and communities event. And it's also set up community reporting hotline or mobile apps where suspicious activity can be reported anonymously, minimizing fear of backlash. So this is our conclusion to our research about Kim River at Johor. The pollution of Kim River serves as a critical reminder of a consequence of unchecked industrial activity and poor environmental management. The 219 incident not only endanger public health but also severely impact the surrounding ecosystem. Through the detailed analysis for contributing factor, it is clear that a combination of industrial, agriculture, and urban sources are responsible for reverse degradations. Addressing this issue required a multifaceted approach involving strict enforcement for environmental laws, continuous monitoring, public awareness, and sustainable waste management practice. With proper action and community involvement, the water quality of the Kim River can be restored, ensuring a safer, and healthier environment for future generation. So, this is our reference about case study of Kim River at Johor. And then this is appendix of our case study. That you can see this is a river that we have searched for doing this case study.